Welcome to Nacrius Cloud Academy, a journey to pinnacle of success.
In this video, we are learning what is performance appraisal, why is it important, and the standard methods followed to implement performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is defined as a process of assessing the employee's job performance as per the benchmarks fixed related to his or her work, such as technical knowledge, efficiency in completing the task, versatility, teamwork, supervision, leadership, etc. Performance appraisal is the evaluation of employees' performance in which various factors like the results of the project employees have worked, ability to coordinate with co-workers, willingness to take responsibilities, willingness to learn, adapt knowledge, etc. are considered. Performance appraisals are an annual process that involves evaluating employees' performance and productivity against the predetermined set of objectives. It also assists in evaluating employees' skills, areas of strength, and weaknesses. The results of performance appraisal determine the employee's wage fixation, increment, and promotion. Now, why is this performance appraisal important and being implemented in IT companies? Performance appraisal is essential for all firms to increase employee productivity and enhance their outcomes. Along with this, some of the key reasons why performance appraisal is important are improving employee engagement and satisfaction, talent retention through development-focused feedback, employee upskilling to ensure career advancement, increasing people development through collaboration and teamwork, allowing employees to raise concerns if any, identifying underperformance and arrange for appropriate coaching and learning sessions, and in some cases even termination of such employees. Appraisal systems exist to improve organizational efficiency by ensuring that individuals perform to the best of their ability, develop their potential, and earn appropriate rewards. This in turn leads to improved organizational performance, employees to achieve job satisfaction, and motivation to work hard towards growth. Now, for anybody to attain that self-satisfaction with their job, they need to understand their strengths and weaknesses, because your career is your responsibility and not anybody else's responsibility. For this, one has to keep testing the boundaries and take one day at a time and ensure that each day something new is learned. Now that we know what is performance appraisal and benefits it has for individual and organization, let us understand some of the standard methods followed to implement performance appraisal in the systems. First one is MBO, which is Management by Objectives. It is an appraisal method where managers and employees together identify, fix, plan, and communicate goals. After setting clear goals, managers and subordinates periodically discuss the progress made and find out the ways and means to correct any deviations. The unique feature of MBO method of appraisal is it is results oriented. It ensures that employees agree upon realistic targets that they could actually achieve. It reduces the role of managers' involvement and ensures that employees are fairly evaluated solely based on their achievements against the fixed targets. This leads to higher coordination between managers and subordinates. Second one is 360-degree feedback. It is an appraisal method where the feedback of an employee's performance are collected from all stakeholders, which includes peers, superiors, colleagues, and self. It is used to make appraisal process more objective, realistic, and participative. The stakeholders who will be participating in this method of appraisal are top management, immediate supervisors, these are the people working one level above you, peer group, these are the people working with you on the same level as yours, subordinates, these are the people working one level below you, customers or clients, and lastly, employees themselves. Speciality of this method is that employee is appraised by different people with whom he or she interacts in his or her job. In addition to other parties, the employee also appraises themselves by answering the questionnaire. A structured questionnaires are prepared to collect feedback from different parties about the performance of the employee. third type of appraisal method is 720-degree performance appraisal. In this appraisal method, the performance of an employee is evaluated from 360 degrees, that is, management, colleagues, superiors, self, and also customers. And the feedback is given and performance is re-evaluated again based on the targets fixed. That means, employee's performance is measured and analyzed in the first appraisal, and after a short period, his performance is measured again and proper feedback and guidance are provided to the employees to achieve their targets. Hence, 720-degree appraisal is considered double check of 360-degree appraisal. In addition to above methods, there are methods like assessment center method, where employees are evaluated for their job-related skills by activities like outbound programs, business games, overnight assignments to evaluate interpersonal skills, intelligence, planning, and organizing skills of the employee. The ability of an employee to adapt himself for a new job, his training needs, and willingness to learn are tested by this method. A group of experts simulate work-related situations and ask the employees to solve the issues. Next type of appraisal method is behaviorally anchored rating scale, which is BARS. This appraisal technique emphasizes the work-related behaviors of the employees. Various key behaviors related to the job are broken down and listed on rating scale. The preferred rating for each behavior is determined. Then the actual behaviors of the employees are compared with the predetermined behaviors rated on the scale. Experts in the company identify predetermined behaviors based on benchmarking that are proved to be most effective performance indicators. Thus, the employee's behavior is measured by comparing them with predetermined behavior and how much they deviate from that behavior. Once the employee is assessed using any one of the above methods, they are given ratings based on which their revised compensation or other benefits are decided. Normal rating systems followed widely are 1 to 5, where 5 is far exceeds expectations, 4 is exceeds expectations, 3 is meets expectations, 2 is development required, and 1 is improvement required. Now this is all about how performance appraisals are conducted in IT companies. Now let's understand how you need to plan your appraisal cycle to get maximum benefit out of it at the end of review. When you start your career, there are certain responsibilities given to you as part of your job. Understand those responsibilities and master them at earliest so that you don't end up doing same mundane work again and again. Once you have full mastery of your work, then you start thinking of how you can do same work more efficiently, without much efforts required from your end. Try to check if there is any scope of automating the task so that it will be taken care without much of your physical efforts. Once you do that, you will have bandwidth and time to explore other areas which might be of interest to you and start checking if there are any newer technologies that you would like to explore more on. Start learning them and showcase your work or POCs that you would do and results you got by implementing same. Once you are confident with your knowledge, approach the leads for more responsibilities in that specific area. Try to contribute voluntarily without demanding any returns, because if you do that, anyone watching you would appreciate your efforts, and what will happen as a result, you will either be promoted to handle that responsibility, or if not, you will learn a new skill and will be better equipped with the diversity in your knowledge. Collect all data points, that means make note of all your achievements you might have received or good work that you might want to highlight during your appraisal discussions. Maintain a separate folder within your mailbox and direct all such appreciation mails or mails containing details of the work done to that folder, so that at the end of appraisal cycle, you don't end up struggling to find the mails or miss out on any emails. Basically, you should be having as many data points as possible to get maximum benefit from the appraisal discussions you will have with your managers. Finally, share your knowledge with your colleagues, because when you share, you will realize that you have gained more depth in your own understanding. Also, it helps build a better workplace environment and mutual trust among peers. Remember, people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. If by sharing your knowledge you made them feel confident in their job, then they will never forget you. With this, I conclude my today's session. Thank you for your time, and I hope I was able to deliver value for your time. If so, support me on this initiative of sharing the knowledge and spreading the joy. Join hands with me in reaching out to as many people as possible who are looking for such information by subscribing to my channel. I will talk to you again in my next video. Until then, take care and keep spreading the joy of giving among people around you. This is Tasleem, signing off for now.